aMAYZing Kids families. Kelly and myself are here today to help you out in the new year. We are going to help you, we want to empower you to do your own insurance verification and know what to expect in terms of what your insurance covers, doesn't cover, and what your financial responsibilities are going to be. Kelly has had a lot of experience doing this, so she is going to share with you her little cheat sheet of questions and what she asks the insurance companies to try to obtain the most information that you can get from your insurance. So I'm going to turn it over to Kelly, and she's going to show you a couple of things that we're going to implement and provide for you this year to help you out.
Okay, so you're going to need 3 things. You'll need your insurance card, the express registration form, as well as a writing utensil. We have enlarged the information here for you to see better. So previous to you calling your insurance company, you're going to need to fill out this information: your child's name, date of birth, diagnosis code, which will be on the prescription or referral from your doctor. You'll also need your member ID, which can have numbers as well as letters. Make sure you get whatever is on your card. All that information needs to go to the representative when you call. Another thing to keep in mind is our NPI number as well as our tax ID. The representative will ask you what the company name is, and it can either be aMAYZing Kids or Haley Mays Foundation. I find it easier to just say both when you are talking to that representative. So now that we're ready to call, you're going to flip over your insurance card and call the member phone number on the back. You're going to go through and you're going to ask them, you're first going to tell them if you're coming in for speech, physical, or occupational therapy, and then you're going to go down and somewhat direct them within the guidelines we have below. First, you're going to ask them if you have a deductible on the amount, if you have a copay and or coinsurance. You're also going to ask if there are a certain amount of visits that are allowed. Some are hard limits and some are soft limits. And then you're going to ask them if pre-authorization is required. If your insurance says that pre-authorization is required, make sure that you let us know so we can go through the correct avenues of getting authorization previous to your kid coming in for their appointment. A very important thing to ask, which we kind of always save till the end, where so the representative has really been looking into your plan, is if there are any exclusions. There can be exclusions for just speech, even if your kid's coming for speech and occupational therapy, so make sure to try to be as specific as possible and write down everything that they say. Sometimes the representatives speak rather quickly. Feel free to tell them to slow down. I do it all the time because it's very important that the information you're gathering is the proper information, because in the long run, once your insurance gets billed, if a claim comes back denied and your insurance won't pay, this will be the information that you will need in order to fight that claim so the balance does not become your responsibility. Also keep in mind that at the end of your phone call, we suggest getting the reference number as well as the representative's name, because like we said before, if the claim is denied, when either you call or if we're helping call, we will give that reference number as a quote saying you told us X, Y, and Z, and that's what it should be covered. So that is the very quick tutorial as to how to do verifications. Best of luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns.
We hope you found that video helpful, and we want to wish you a
Happy New Year!